Jamaica, Randy, you know me do it already. All roads lead to Wakanda, Africa. Taking you on the journey, I'm going boarding. Yeah, man, everything me don't know, so I got to know. Yeah, go straight into boarding with the thing, you know. Deal with it. Yes, I. See a Jamaican there. I must me I walk him, see me a flex. Bags them check in and everything feel alright. Get the boarding pass. Yes, sooner or later. This is it. This is a flight to Africa. This is a trip. I'm gonna make it happen. Yes, right now, Jamaica, 6 in the morning. We're in Amsterdam right now. Take another flight to go to South Africa. Gonna get busy soon. Internet cafe. $597 leaves at 10. There we go. F6. So we F6. Everything. Definitely cleaner than New York. I'll tell you that much. What is this about? Some kind of it's definitely you're not as rough as New Yorkers. It's a more global approach here. Less luggage. Easy going, yeah. It's a global energy. Gotta spend some time here. My next tour is the Europe tour. Then I'm gonna do the West Africa tour. Then Australia. This is Randy again. Blessings and love. Okay, Jamaicans, this is Randy. Getting ready for the final stretch. You know, the Usain Bolt stretch to Africa, 11 hours. This is probably going to be my longest flight. So it's 6 coming. I didn't sleep too good, but Randy goes to Africa. This part of the journey, there's no sleep in Africa. I'm not going to sleep in South Africa. If I rent a car, if we work out the back and everything, stretch out the leg them, no sleep. You know what I mean? I have so much fun. I'm so excited. I'm gonna kiss the ground. I'm in Amsterdam right now. You know, work out the leg. 11 hours sitting down. Yes, Jaja. Sometimes when you travel like this, you probably wish. Not saying this is a good thing, but you didn't have legs, right? And then let me tell you, the flight coming to Amsterdam, that plane was serious, huh? Yo, some serious thing that I go on and I'm gonna have to hold on. Yeah. I said one day if Randy not gonna make it. Yo, I said so the turbulence. I'm say, yo, you know what I'm saying? I'm not afraid still, but I said the turbulence, you see? Oh yeah? Amsterdam, Europe is pretty clean. The turbulence, but for hold on and thing, I said, why I have to make it to Africa? I have to make it. You know what I'm saying? No matter, I say, I'm going to plane, I go drop out the sky, I'm going to reach Africa. You know. So make it and thing, some turbulence, people in my whole lot, yo, I tell you, when the plane land, nobody no clap. You see me? The people them kind of, yo, you definitely see the different vibe. Jamaicans, let me tell you something. When you talk about where you want to live in the world, let me tell you something. Whether it be New York, Amsterdam, Europe, whatever, no one is nice like Jamaica. Vibe, people them alive. When I look around, it's like them people are like them have some kind of depression business that go on with them. Them just sit away, and you know we're lively, up yourself. You know we're lively already. So. You know, we lively already. So, 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 you know, I don't know, I know. But them set up them fruits and them fruit well organized and everything set up kind of mechanical way. Now I see how the thing set up, but them clean and thing. But you know, it's just, yeah man, when you start with the thing and you start with the thing, you say, why? I like my dirt and my fruit them. No, Jamaica, I say. That's why I tour the world to compare everything from high fashion to high design to expensive this, and then compare to the country. And in life is a perception. Everywhere you go, no matter what. You know, but vitamin D from the sun and the fruits, them, I checked the water here. The water was about $2.50 for a bottle of water. I'm going to South Africa, there's a water shortage. And so I picked up like 4 bottles of water here, you know, because it might be more expensive in South Africa. And yeah, I'll pick up some bottle of water, some water. But the world is set away where everything is just like expensive, you know, and cost, and you know, the world is set away. I think the best thing to do, I'm looking, definitely buy a land of Jamaica and start planting your trees. Food, water. There's a scarcity all over the world and we need to pay attention to that. So get your water catchment up in the mountains. I already have my water catchment up in the mountains. So your fruits and everything is important, you know what I mean? So now if we go to South Africa, there's a few black people. You see me? So things set up, you know? On vacationers and thing. But I don't want to get crap leg on thing. It's going to be a total of about 17 hours of travel today. You know? So it's a tough journey. It's a long journey. I'm going to be 45 soon. Give God thanks. Give creation thanks. All is well. All is well. All is well. So that is the update for now on the trip, on the journey. Kids them are nice and thing, place is clean. But I don't think yeah, Jamaica forever. Just so you know. Jamaica forever. I tell you. Let me tell you something. Yo, Jamaica forever. I hope, yeah. Blessings and love to and make sure stay on the workout to the foot and do some running. Man, I would love to create a running competition, you know. And remember guys, send me a WhatsApp message. You know what I mean? Keep watching and sharing the thing. I'm gonna be in Jamaica and then probably gonna be in West Africa, Amsterdam, in Amsterdam right now. You know, I just keep traveling the world and compare everything to Jamaica. So I'm not telling you, Jamaica forever. Yeah, don't get your cancer. Get up, exercise, cut back on the meat. Don't stress out nothing. Remember saying, you know, come from nothing. You don't have to stress yourself out. Don't worry. Yeah? Don't get sick. Don't make nobody stress you out. Don't make nobody run your life. Take care of your family. Drink your water and breathe. Spirituality is really breathing. Not about 20 deep breaths. And none of us still now remind me, Randy, did you take a 20 deep breath today? Oh, no, pay attention, man. Blessings and love. One, Randy, I go up and play now. Later. Can't believe it. On the plane to Africa right now. This is so crazy. I can't believe it. Going to the motherland. 400 years of slavery. Going back home. These are the people I'm going back home with. 400 years of slavery. Yes, drop a document this moment. This has been run the touch fund. This is it. I'm gonna step onto the plane, give thanks, go public it, blessings. Yeah, this is it. Turn back, 36K. 36K. 36K.
Clarify.
This is Cape Town, South Africa. Airport is much better than Jamaica. Invest in CapeTown.com. Drive to find the bathroom. This part of the world is totally different from the other side. Gotta use the bathroom. Okay, I'm here in Africa, staying at Airbnb. It's really nice. Nice place. About $20 a night. It's out good Wi-Fi and everything. So everyone, I'm here. And I'm gonna try to get an Uber tomorrow to go get a car. But I'm good. I'm happy. I'm gonna rest tonight so I could not sleep for the rest of the time. I'm in Africa. Good morning, Africa. I'm staying in Cape Town. This nice place in Kenilworth. I'm just smelling the African air for the first time. Oh, okay. Ooh, the air is balanced. It's not, it's very balanced. Oh. This is where I'm staying. It's a nice spot. It's a really nice spot. Oh, this is a nice spot. The air is great. Wow, the air is just amazing. All right, let's get a moving on it. Time to call the Uber. All right. Ooh, this is